Doing? What's that? You love that Roomba, don't you? Bah! Ah! Whoa, look at you standing. You gonna stand back up? You want that Roomba. Go get it. Baby boy. Big boy. That Roomba. He's like, I need to have the Roomba. I must have it. Oh. Go get it. Go get that Roomba. Hours of entertainment. Roombas are expensive. A very expensive baby toy. But well worth the price. Light. Bah! Roomba. Roomba! You love it. You love the Roomba. You know, now you're done with the Roomba, you like the fire truck better? What is that Roomba doing? It ran over you. It's gonna get ya. Get that Roomba. You wanna stand up? It's gonna get ya. Okay, I think he's done.